Hey, here, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, today I've got our 30-inch hot box with a bunch of other stuff welded onto it we're going to check out here. So, and I say that, guys, because the hot box has just turned out to be our #1 option at TMG. And honestly, I couldn't tell you when the last time we built a smoker without a hot box was. Which, I also can't tell you what I ate for breakfast this morning, so that might not be saying a lot. But anyway, let's check this hot box out. So guys, this is our standard hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches cook space. Guys, that's because we love America, okay? And that's the truth. Guys, what we love about our hot box, and what apparently America loves about our hot box, is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So it's basically like having 2 smokers run off 1 fire. Super versatile, really easy to use. So we love that. You can grill in here, get direct fire, do wood fired peaches in here. So there's our hot box. He did upgrade to the fridge style sliding handle on there. Good upgrade. This is my man Scott V, by the way. Come around here to the firebox. Now this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. He did get the fire management cradle in there, as well as he added on D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. So that's nice. Come around to the front here. He did get a cup holder right here and a stainless steel front shelf. Gotta love that stainless steel front shelf. Check out the smoke chamber here. Now this is a Fridge 36 model. So 36-inch wide smoke chamber. You still get your 3 sliding trays in there like all fridges do. So a lot of I mean, this is a small footprint smoker, but packs a punch. You can cook a lot of food in this bad boy. It is reverse flow, so the smoke comes all the way across the bottom, back out of the stack. This makes for super even temperatures in the smoke chamber. Really easy to manage your fire on this unit. So, and it is on our off-road package, as you can see. He did get some upgraded wheels and tires on there. Looks good sitting in the backyard. I mean, your neighbors over here looking down at you, they're gonna be jealous, okay? So, and what's nice about our off-road package, the front axle wheel is all the way underneath. Makes it really easy to maneuver around, get it back in your garage, take it down to the back patio, move it wherever you want. So guys, that is this Fridge 36. Scott is gonna be on his way next week to come pick this bad boy up. We're gonna get in there, get cracking on the next one. All I'm doing is waiting on y'all. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.